To remove a PHM, remove the top cover. Press the release button on the cover latch and then lift up to disengage the top cover from the chassis restraining clips. Lift the top cover straight up to remove it from the chassis. The SR850 may be equipped with 4 processor heatsink modules, also referred to as PHMs. Up to 2 PHMs on the processor memory expansion tray, and up to 2 PHMs on the system board. To remove a PHM on the system board, slightly slide the upper power supply number 2 out from the power supply bay. Grasp the processor and memory expansion tray handle by the blue touch point and rotate the handle straight up to lift the expansion tray out of the chassis. To remove a processor and heatsink module, you'll need a Torx T30 screwdriver. Fully loosen the numbered captive fasteners on a processor heatsink module in the removal sequence shown on the heatsink label. Loosen fastener number 4, then 3, 2, and then 1. Carefully lift the processor heatsink module straight up from the processor socket.